Today in this video I will show you how to make this box using newspaper sheets. So just out of curiosity I attempted this project and in the end it turned out quite well. I made this box completely out of newspaper rolls, and after watching this video you will realize how easy it actually is to attempt. Now here are all the things that I used. There is nothing very special that you will need. These are all very basic stuff. Coming to the procedure itself, basically you will need to make a lot of paper rolls, and first up I used this 14 centimeters wide newspaper sheet to make 24 paper rolls of length 14 centimeters. Then I used a 13 centimeters wide sheet to make 13 rolls measuring 13 centimeters in length. And finally I made paper rolls of length 7 centimeters using this 7 centimeters wide sheet. Making these paper rolls is actually quite easy. First take the paper sheet and make paper cuts like this. Then simply take the iron skewer, or you can pretty much use anything of that shape such as a pen refill or something. For anyone wondering why I made these paper cuts, actually without these paper cuts it will be very difficult to roll the paper on the skewer, and in this way the distribution of paper throughout the roll will also be proportionate. Once your roll is complete, just take out the iron skewer from the roll and use some glue to stick the end of the paper to the roll itself. In this way I made a lot of paper rolls, and now it's time to stick them together. As we are going to make a rectangular box, I will be sticking all the 14 centimeters long roll with the 7 centimeter ones at an angle of 90 degrees. I am using this small piece of wood as a base to achieve exactly 90 degrees at the point where two rolls come together. Now I will be joining these pairs together to finally make paper roll frames. At this point we are done with the 14 and 7 centimeter rolls, and now it's time to utilize the 13 rolls of length 13 centimeters that I also made. I will be using these to make the base of the box, and to do that we'll take one of the frames and we'll stick the 13 centimeter rolls inside the frame using glue. This will be the base of the box. Now to make the sides, I will simply stick all the frames one over the other by aligning them properly, and that is it. So in this way you can pretty much make any size box you want. Just keep in mind, if you are going for any other dimension other than what you saw in this video, then take all your measurements beforehand in order to avoid any messing up later. This is all I have for you in this one. Hit like if you enjoyed watching, and consider subscribing if you are interested in more similar videos.